Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For Cantonese people, drinking soup is as common and indispensable as breathing. Different soups have different effects, and they are important means of replenishing energy for the body and providing daily health care. Today's recipe is pork bone soup with overload flour. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, overload flour has the effect of clearing away heat, moistening the lungs, and relieving cough. And pork bone has the effect of strengthening the spleen and tonifying deficiency. Let's get started. 3 dried overload flours, about 25 grams. Soak them in water to soften. 1 peeled carrot, about 150 grams. Cut into pieces. Pork bones, 190 grams, can be fan bones, spine bones, tube bones, pork ribs. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil, blanch the pork bones. If there is meat in the soup ingredients, it's best to blanch it to make the soup clearer. Put the blanched pork bones, carrot pieces, and soaked overload flours into the soup pot. Add 1,200 milliliters of water. Cover the lid. Simmer on low heat for an hour and a half. Turn off the heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir evenly with chopsticks. Delicious pork bone soup with overload flour is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.